Hello class, welcome back from winter break. I have just completed grading your tests from before Christmas and I'm glad to say, all of you have passed. Well, almost all of you.
Wait, Miss Martin. Who didn't pass the test?
Well, let me hand them out so you can see.
What? How could I have possibly gotten these answers wrong?
Only 3 students failed the test, Bob, Classic Caillou and Rosie. However, I do have good news for you 3 who failed. You have an opportunity to make up. You see, we have a very important guest speaker we're going to have at today's assembly, and he needs a lot of help setting it up, but we don't have the resources, so that's where you guys come in. If you help him and he puts in a good word for you, I will give each of you a passing grade on your test. So guys, do you accept this offer?
Nah, I'll take my chances, not helping out some old thoughts assembly.
Yes.
Yes.
I'll help.
Me too.
Great. Classic Caillou and Rosie, please head down to the auditorium. But remember, you have one chance. One chance. Do not mess anything up, or else you will get no credit.
Yeah, whatever.
At the auditorium.
Alright, everybody. Let's get this show on the road. Today is a big day. I'm the greatest American you'll ever meet, and to have me, cowboy, speak should be an honor. In fact, you should all be licking my booty boots just by being in my presence, you weather zoomers. Ugh.
Yeah, whatever. What do you want us to do?
Hey, don't talk back to me, boy. Now, see those boxes? Start unpacking them.
We've been working on this for a whole hour. I'm sick of this crap.
Yeah, me too. Wait a second, Classic Caillou, I just had the best idea ever.
What is it?
What if we were to sneak out of this boring place, and go like, fake a lockdown, then just leave, while everyone is hiding in their classrooms?
Ha. That is a perfect idea, Rosie. I'll ask Cowboy if we can use the bathroom, then let's do this. Hey, Mr. Cowboy Griffin sir, I have to use the bathroom really bad, so could I please be excused just for 5 minutes?
Yeah me too, I gotta go too.
Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom too.
Wait, but...
Okay then. Alright Classic Caillou, let's do this.
What a wonderful day to just sit in my office and do absolutely nothing until some kid comes in here with a card.
Now, Classic Caillou.
Hey idiot, you're going to listen to me, and you're going to listen closely. You are going to turn on the intercom and announce a school lockdown. Right, freaking now.
And if you don't do it, we're going to rip all of your remaining hair right out of your head, and you'll go from Principal Balding to just Principal Bald. Ha.
Okay. Please, just don't rip my hair out, please. Yeah. Okay there, the microphone is ready. Now what exactly do you want me to say?
I don't know. You think I thought this all the way through? Just say like, a giant Japanese squid monster thing has broken into the school and is terrorizing everyone.
What? No. Nobody is going to believe that. It's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard in my life.
Do you want your hair to get ripped out, boy? Start speaking into that microphone about that squid or we'll make your head as bald as a squid.
Fine, I don't care anymore, screw everything. Attention, all students, there is a giant, Japanese, tentacle, squid monster, going around terrorizing people, eating students and destroying the school. We are now entering lockdown. Please, everyone, stay inside your classrooms and do not leave or the squid monster will eat you alive. Lockdown. Lockdown. We are in lockdown.
Oh, so that dang darn squid thinks he can go around and terrorize all these innocent kids in my school? Nope.
Lockdown.
That is about to get a tasty cowboy. Boop, boop. Booty boop. Where's that dang squid? I gotta kill it. Maybe it's in ball boot office. Hey, cowboy in the house. I'm coming for you, you squid. What in the name of Rudolph is going on here?
Well, see, there's no.
There's no squid monster. We forced Principal Balding into saying that because we wanted to leave school early.
But hey, it's the truth that matters in the end and we admitted it, so we're all good now, right?
What? No, dang no. Dang no to the dang nation of mankind. I wanted squid blood, that sweet, circular, black gooey squidding. I thought I was gonna be eating calamari tonight, but you do ruin everything, just like the paramedics. And now, I'm gonna turn you into calamari.
What the HE hockey sticks? What was that?
Oh my goodness, it's real. What the? How even? No matter. Cowboy, save us.
Nope.
What? Why not? I thought you just said you wanted to kill and eat it.
A Japanese squid monster. But you never said anything about if I was a Japanese squid monster. And under no circumstances a cowboy-driven deal with pirates. Nope, nope.
Now listen here, you crazy old freak. You are going to stop that squid pirate whatever thing right now. Now I say, now.
Nope. How many times do I have to tell you? No, I don't do pirates. I'd rather have us all die than even look at that pirate for one more second. I don't do pirates. I just don't need this. Nope. I'm out of here. Bye.
Oh no. What are we gonna do now? Oh no. I think it's trying to break in here.
Well, this has been fun while it's lasted. Goodbye, cruel world.
No.
Wait a second. I just had the best idea. Oh no.
Run. Fire.
What are we gonna do? We're either gonna burn to death or get eaten alive.
I'm taking my chances. See you later.
Me too.
Me three. And praise the Lord, it's safe. Oh no.
Phew, I can't believe we escaped that.
Yeah, now let's get out of here and pretend nothing happened. Ha.
Oh my goodness! Classic Caillou and Rosie, are you okay? What happened?
Well, the whole school caught on fire after a lockdown alarm. I think they meant to pull the fire alarm instead or something. Now the school burnt down.
That's horrible. I'm just glad you're both alright.
Wait, no, just no, you got it all wrong. Those two just make Principal Balding pull the lockdown alarm for no reason. That some pirate squid came in and then they started a fire and burned everything to the ground.
Classic Caillou and Rosie, is what this man said true?
Maybe? But can we just have one more itty bitty small teensy tiny chance?
No. freaking way. Classic caillou. How dare you fake a lockdown alarm and burn down the school?
And don't forget, they said absolutely nothing about the squid being a pirate.
You are grounded until the school is rebuilt. Now, you will be going to jail too.
Oh. Classic Caillou and Rosie. How dare you fake a lockdown alarm and burn down the school? That is so it. You were arrested for 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 0 years. Stay in your cell until we build a new school.